British Airways, City Hopper, heading to London City Airport. Oh, livery, obviously, they don't have a new livery. Well, except for that, like, blue, weird sky livery. Well, it's coming now. Brits, coming in. Damn, it's so sunny. Oh, there's the plane! Where's the... Sorry, lads. Man, it's really high and small. Well, here's the British Airways. Not really that cool of a plane. Crap, where is it? No, British Airways is actually my least favourite airline, everybody. Oh no, I just hate it. I actually do know why. Because one time I was on a British Airways flight and they lost our bags. Like literally, they lost our bags on the flight. I don't know, just for a week. God damn it, British Airways. No wonder why we kicked you out of Ireland. Hopefully soon the president might invade Northern Ireland. I'm only joking. British people are cool. I'm just a little bit mad at the airline and the workers. I'm sorry if anybody really loves British Airways. It might be better now, but I don't think I'm going to be flying on British Airways again. I'll be fair, Ryanair, which is kind of, don't judge me, but I really like budget airlines. Found something new about me. Yep, I sure do love budget airlines. To be fair, they're more than just normal airlines. The reason why, because budget airlines, they have a great seats. I just don't know why. Well, the Ryanair old cabin kind of sucks, but the new Ryanair cabin kind of is a little bit better. And like the EasyJet, they're good airline. They're my second. I have two favourite budget airlines. EasyJet's okay airline. It's a pretty good airline. I really love the livery. Just like an orange, like, I don't know, twirly. Yeah. This is also this is Hungarian budget airline called Wizz. Replace that with a P, and you'll get something a little bit inappropriate. Oh well. I'm going to be going now. I might not upload this video, but not sure. So, bye.